Let's learn Danger Twins. It's choreographed by Karl-Harry, Winston, and Barnfield. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, low intermediate level line dance. It has tags on the ends of walls 1 and 4 and a tag or restart on wall 3 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tags and the restart and the ending, and then we're going to go through and do 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Danger Twins. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to cross your left behind your right. You're going to quickly step your right foot to the right side and place your left toe forward into the left diagonal. We're now going to come up on the balls of both feet. We're going to pop our knees forward and then recover back onto your right. We're now going to do a ball cross, bringing our left foot in and next to our right and cross our right over our left. You're going to step your left foot to the left side and place your right heel into the right diagonal and do a double clap. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. We are going to step our right foot to the right side and touch your left toe into the diagonal. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side and touch your right toe into the diagonal. Now some styling that you could add into that section, and this is how I dance it, is when you do that step to the side, you are going to rotate your hips around as you step. So when we step to the right, you're going to do a hip roll counterclockwise from left to right, and then as you touch, you can slightly bump that hip forward. When we step to the left, you're going to rotate your hips clockwise from right to left, bringing it around, and as you touch, you can bump that hip forward. Either way you choose is fine. When I dance it, I do those hip rolls. From here, we're going to do 2 walks back, stepping back, right, left. You're going to step your right foot next to your left, but slightly to the side, about shoulder width apart. We're now going to come up on the balls of both feet, and we're going to swivel both heels to the right, and then back center, putting your weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our heel and double clap. You're going to do your step to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to rock back with our right foot. Recover forward onto your left. We're going to do a kickball lunge. So we're going to kick our right foot low and forward, quickly step your right next to your left. You're going to point your left toe to the left side, but as you do that, you're going to bend your right knee so your left toe comes out to the side. We're now going to drag our left toe into our right over 2 counts, and then we're going to do a ball walk forward, quickly stepping that left foot next to our right, and do 2 walks forward, stepping right, left. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just finished our swivel. You're going to rock back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left. We're now going to do a half shuffle over our right shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side. You're going to quickly bring your left foot in next to your right and then make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 9 o'clock. We're going to do a right sailor step, crossing our right behind our left. Step your left foot out to the side, step your right foot out to the side, and then we're going to cross our left over our right. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our walk. You're going to do your rock half shuffle. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot, stepping to the right. So you're going to go side, behind, ball, touch, knee, pop, ball, cross, side, heel, double, clap is step, touch, walk back, back, side swivel, rock back, recover, kick, ball, lunge, drag, ball, walk, walk, rock, recover, half shuffle, quarter side, sailor, step, cross. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tags. Wall 1 has our first tag. It is 8 counts. When you learn the tag that comes at the end of wall 1, you have learned all 3 tags of the dance. So the end of wall 1 is 8 counts. It consists of a full turning box and a jazz box with a cross. When we do the tag restart on wall 3, you're going to do the jazz box cross portion of our tag. When you do the tag on the end of wall 4, you'll be doing the full turning box portion. So once you learn that first tag, you know how to do all of them. So I'm going to face the front, even though it does happen on the side wall, just so that you can see how it flows and what happens. So we would have just crossed over. We're going to start by doing our full turning box. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to do a jazz box with a cross. So you're going to cross your right over your left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and then cross your left over your right, and that is the whole tag. So let's do tag 1 all the way through with some counts. Weight is on your left, crossed over your right. You're doing that full turning box. 1, 2, 3, 4, jazz box, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's face the side wall, do tag 1 to the side wall. We would have just done our crossover. We're going to do that turning box. So it's quarter back, quarter forward, quarter back, quarter forward, jazz box with a cross. And then you would do wall 2 all the way through to face 6 o'clock. When we get to 6 o'clock, this is wall 3. This is where you have your tag restart. So we're going to dance the first 16 counts of the dance, and then we're going to do tag 2, which is our jazz box with a cross. So let's dance those 16 counts to the back, and then we'll add on that jazz box. Weight is on your left. We would have just finished by crossing over. We're gonna step our right foot to the side. It's side, behind, ball, touch, knee, pop, ball, cross, side, heel, double clap. It's side, touch, walk back, back, side, swivel. Right here, you're gonna add on your jazz box, cross, back, side, cross, and now you're gonna restart the dance, side, behind, ball, touch, knee, pop. When you do that jazz box and we restart, that's gonna become wall 4. So even though we are facing 6 o'clock, it will become wall 4. You will dance wall 4 all the way through the full 32 counts to come to the side wall or 3 o'clock. You'll do your sailor step with a cross, and then you're gonna add on your full turning box. This will be tag 3. So you're gonna make that quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot, quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left, quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right, quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot. When you do this turning box on the end of wall 4, you want to make sure that your hips are angled to the right when you finish this box instead of either directly forward or more towards the left, because we are going to travel to the right to start wall 5 facing the side and go into our next wall right after that turning box. So it's going to feel easier if you allow your hips to be pointed in the direction that we are going. So now before we go around, let's talk about the ending of the dance. The ending of the dance will happen on wall 9, which will be our 3 o'clock facing wall, but you're only going to do a modified version of the first 4 counts of that wall. So we'll dance wall 8 to the back. You will dance the full 32 counts and come to 3 o'clock. So we would have just done our sailor with a cross. We're going to do the first 4 counts, but we're going to make a quarter turn before we do our knee pops. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to cross your left behind your right. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot and touching your left toe forward towards 12 o'clock. You're now going to pop both knees forward and then recover onto your right foot, and that will be how you end the dance. Some people do the pop and they like to do a little bit of an extra clap. You can kind of add some fun in, but that is how you will end the dance on that final wall. You will kind of hear it coming. It is pretty obvious that the dance is ending. So when you hear it start changing slightly and there's less lyrics, then you'll know that you're coming to the end. So now let's go around. We're going to do 5 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to go through all of the tags restart so that you kind of know where everything happens and how it flows. Facing 12 o'clock, weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your side, behind, ball, touch, knee, pop, ball, cross, side, heel, double clap, and step, touch, walk back, back, side swivel, rock back, recover, kick, ball, lunge, drag, ball, walk, rock, recover, half shuffle, quarter side, sailor step, cross, do your tag. It's quarter back, quarter forward, quarter back, quarter forward, jazz box with a cross, start over 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 16 counts. Side, behind, ball, touch, knee, pop, ball, cross, side, heel claps, step, touch, walk back, back, do your side swivel. Now do your jazz box, cross, back, side, cross, 32 counts, and then do your final tag. Side, behind, ball, touch, knee, pop, ball, cross, side, heel, double clap it, step, touch, walk back, back, together, swivel, rock back, recover, kick, ball, lunge, drag, ball, walk, rock, recover, half shuffle, quarter side, sailor step, cross, do your turning box, quarter back, quarter forward, quarter back, quarter forward, start over 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And then you'll dance the rest of the dance through until you get to wall 9, where you will add on that ending. So now that you've learned about the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like so you can go out and hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Danger Twins. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Doing